Hello, good morning. I'm Daniel from Anytech. Today I'm taking you through Photoshop just to explain some tools that you can use or the tools in Photoshop, how to use them. So without taking much time, let's just jump to our system. But don't forget to subscribe to Anytech Media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because in our channel you learn a lot. We learn a lot, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So here you go. We are starting now. Let us launch our Photoshop. Let us learn our Photoshop. Spend a lot. It's taking much time to open. Let us know what is going on, how we should go about, how we should make our tutorials. Bring out your comment in the description. Bring out your comment. We need your comment. Your comment is more important to us. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Anytech Media. Anytech Media is here to stay. It's here to put more information in your brain. Just subscribe to Anytech and bring up your comment. We need your comment. Your comment is more important to us. We need your comment once we are waiting for Photoshop to open. We need your comment. We need your comment. Yeah, Photoshop has been opened. So this is Photoshop, the interface of Photoshop. This is the interface of Photoshop. Yeah, I think I was working on some project, so just recovering from them. So you see, I was working on a certain project, so that's why you see that. Okay, when you learn Photoshop, this is what you see. So from here up to here is the interface of Photoshop. So these tools are all the tools we are going to use in our work, or they are the tools that are being used in designing. When you check here, is what the move tool. The moment I place the cursor on it, it will give us the name. The move tool is used to move item, or is used to move something from one area to another. That's the move tool. And here, this one is the rectangular masking tool. This tool is used, let's say you have a setting. Let me bring up my picture. This is my picture, and I like, you want to select part that you want, or you want to select a part that you don't want it. For that action, you use the rectangular masking tool. You see, the moment I highlight it, you change it to this thing. That means it's ready for action. So the moment I press delete, it will delete that part from there. Sorry, let's take it off. That is the rectangular masking tool. And this is the laser tool. The laser tool also do a lot. When it comes to laser, we have polygonal laser tool and then the magnetic laser tool. It is used when you want to take an important information from or wanted area from a picture or an object. Okay, let's come here. This one too. Let's say for example you want to take off the background of a picture. So the moment I use this tool, the lasso tool, the moment I press here, I press it like this, you see it has been selected. So if I need that area, I just do what, select that area, sorry. And then the crop tool. So the crop tool work more or less like the rectangular mask tool, the lasso tool, and the others. You also, by cropping, that means you are taking off some area that you don't need it. Yeah, there's some area that you don't need it, or you are cropping to a certain size that you need it. You see, that's the crop tool. And this is the eye drop tool. Let's say I'm working more on colors and I want colors to match. Let's say this black color, I want this black color to match with the background. I just select the eye drop tool. See, the moment you select, it changes to eyedrop form. So the moment I point it to a color and I dip it inside, it will give me a color here. In our notes tutorials, we put them into practice. Okay, this is what this tool. If you want to know the function of the tool, what you do is put the cursor on it. Inside will bring it. That's spot healing. Like that means, let's say for example you are working on picture, you can see a lot of pimples on the person's face. The best tool to use is the healing tool. The blush tool, for blush, the word is self-explain. So today you end it here. I think we have talked a lot. We have talked about 8 tools in Photoshop. So today you end it here. You continue next time, but please don't forget to subscribe to Anitech Media for more tutorials. We open up our tutorial. You give out all the information. We don't hide. We don't do cutting. We do real tutorials. So subscribe to Anitech Media for more tutorials. Thank you. Thank you. You have other tutorials there. You can go and watch how to program, and then a lot. You can check it from our description. You have a lot of videos. You can check. Subscribe to our channel and leave us comment as well. Thank you. See you next time.